What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking with Happy today, and we're making some good old Southern biscuits because we've been sick, and I really wanted a fried bologna biscuit. And also, this is a Southern thing, Red Hots. These are like a spicy sausage on a biscuit. Oh, there used to be a little deli in the grocery store in one of the towns I worked in, and they big biscuits, red hots, bologna. Oh, some of my favorite stuff for breakfast. So 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna sift that on down into our bowl. So you want to turn it. Yep, yep. Slow and steady. Okay. So once you get your flour sifted on down, we got 1 stick of butter. Stupidly, I got rid of my little grater that I had. That was perfect for my butter. Because I got a food processor. I'm not going to need this no more. Found a reason why I need it. So cold butter, just break it on up, and then we're going to fork it in. We're going to get a fork, and we're just going to fork that butter on in to that flour. That way you get those good old butter clumps. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 when the oven hot and ready. So now with your buttermilk, do 1 cup of buttermilk. Kind of just eyeball it with biscuits, with the buttermilk. It just all depends. The weather, like there's so many factors when baking that come into play. So now you're gonna make your countertops a little dirty. Okay, set it right there. I'll get it. All right, so you're a little bit closer now. We're gonna walk you through these steps. So I normally try to make a square, and I want it kind of thick. Kind of want it thick like my finger. And it looks like a pizza. I know it doesn't have no pepperoni. It's not pizza. It just looks like pizza. And I'm going to fold it on over. Like I said, you're going to make a mess. It's fine. It's not the end all be all. Fold. And what we're doing is we're making layers. If you like those layered canned biscuits, that's what we're doing. We're just making layers. Wow. I do it. I do it. I do it. Go ahead. I do it. I do it. Yeah. There. Watch your fingers. And we're just going to pop these on into the oven at 425 until they go brown. We're going to get down to the bologna. So I got bologna and I got bright leaf red hots. So I got the thick cut bologna. Drop it on in. And with my red hots, I'm just going to cut them in half. Right down the middle. Not all the way through. I'm gonna butterfly them. And these are spicy. Red Hot are spicy, just so you know. Look at those glorious biscuits. Oh, all right. So now, one egg. If you ever had an egg in the South, they just pat the yolk down in with the egg whites, then put a lot of black pepper on it. Get that big, huge biscuit. Pop it right on open. Oh, put that bologna down right on top. Close my biscuit lid right there. Now, with my second biscuit, open it up. Perfect. Oh, grab that red hot. Pop it up there just like that. And that's a done deal. So, we got the red hot one here. I'm so excited about this. Bologna, egg and cheese. Oh, look how thick that biscuit is. Oh, oh yeah. All right, y'all. So me and this little girl, we're gonna go enjoy our breakfast. We'll catch you in the next one. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.